Hi, we just done some halwa in previous video. I put a little bit of sesame seeds, and we will use almonds. So basically we do the same recipe with almond. We'll do the almond powder. If you want, we can add a little bit of chocolate to make a different taste, or we can add a little bit of berries up there. We will make the powder, and then in the powder, approximately 100 grams, we will add a teaspoon of honey. That's it. So with different kind of nuts, you can have a different kind of flavors. You can mix the nuts. Let's say here a little bit of cashew nuts. So we can mix the cashew nuts and almond nuts, so you can have a big variety of different kind of sweets what tastes really good. If you are not a raw foodist, you can fry the nuts, and after make the powder, and after you can make the sweets. I put the nuts in the water after I dry it again, so it's a little bit more softer, easy to mix, and easy to make the candies later. Otherwise it might be too dry and need a little bit more water or milk and more honey or so on. Also you can add a little bit of lime juice, will be just brilliant. You can cook from the powder. You can cook the biscuits, mixing with the eggs if you eat eggs or not. You can cook without it. So basically I do something like on the next video. So it can be sweet or not sweet. Like you can make, let's say, with a little bit of chili, garlic and so on by using the almond powder or peanuts powder or whatever. Just 1 minute and our powder is ready. So quick. So I do everything at home, so it's way cheaper if I'll buy it from the store. Okay, now we need approximately 3 tablespoons of honey on all of this mass, and a long process for mix it up. That's it. So basically if you want to make dough for cooking, you do the same thing. I eat eggs sometimes, so I mix it with the eggs and put it in the oven. That's it. If you want to eat it raw, same, it's many ways. You can do the mayonnaise, you can do the different sauces from this powder. If you don't want to eat it, let's say, solid. Additionally, if you make the mayonnaise from a cashew powder or almond powder, you can put it just on any vegetables, add a little bit of pepper, salt, and it tastes really brilliant. And it's a good nutrition. You will get everything you need it, and you will be fed with really small portion of it. Well, it's too dry, so I add a little bit more, otherwise I can't mix it. So probably it will be a little bit more sweet than I expect. So basically you can mix it and look how it works. Do you need add anything like a little bit more water or a little bit more sugar? I think I need to add a little bit more water, but try to make without it. Okay, so that's it. We've done it. So now you have an idea. Different kind of nuts, pine nuts, walnuts, whatever. And you can make the awesome sweets. Okay, we'll make the solid piece. That's really interesting. I think need add a little bit banana or dried mango. So if you do it a few times, after you'll be know, okay, I wanna add a little bit milk powder, I wanna add a little bit of banana, dried banana, or a little bit of berries or whatever for change of taste. So I think the mango or bananas will be just brilliant. Also, it depends what do you eat and what you not eat. So if you not eat the milk or eggs, probably you add something else. And it's sticky, so I will add a little bit of coconut powder on top. That's it. And I'll put it on the fridge and I can store it 1-2 weeks easily. But I think my mates will come and eat everything in one time. Alright, hope you enjoyed my cooking. I'm pretty sure you can do your own even better. Feel free to share cool recipes with me. So you got the ideas. You can do a lot of amazing stuff with really simple ingredients. Only things to find the organic one. That's it. I try to find or create more cool recipes for you. So make you more fit, more healthy, with a higher level of energy. So stay tuned, and if you like it, you know what to do.